Good morning students. Today we are going to learn the remaining part of the lesson, that is teeth and microbes. Okay, so we have started this lesson in the previous class only, and in this lesson we have learned about the teeth. Okay, an adult human is having 32 teeth in his mouth. Okay, and as you know that a newborn baby has no teeth in its mouth, and after birth of 2 to 3 years of this baby, 20 teeth will start appearing in its mouth, which we called primary teeth or temporary teeth. Okay, so after in the age of 4 to 5 years, those milk teeth or temporary teeth will start falling out, and in their places the new teeth will grow. Those are called as permanent teeth, and those permanent teeth will not fall out by their own. Okay, and we have learned that there are different kinds of teeth. There are different kinds of teeth in our mouth. Those are the 4 types. There are 4 different types of teeth in our mouth. Those are the incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Okay, so what are the incisors? Incisors are also called as cutting teeth. In the sense, we use this teeth for the cutting the food. Okay, and those incisors are present in front of our mouth. And see, incisors, there are 8 incisors in our mouth. Upper jaw is having 4 incisors and lower jaw is having 4 incisors. Okay, next about canines, there are these 4 in numbers. It means there are total 4 canines in our mouth. Upper jaw is having 2 canines and lower jaw is having 2 canines. And these canines are also we call as tearing teeth, because we use these canines to tear the flesh, to tear the tough foods that we eat. Okay, next about premolars. Okay, so these premolars are located next to the canines. Okay, and there are total 4 premolars in each jaw. It means there are total 8 premolars in our mouth. Upper jaw is having 4 premolars and lower jaw is having 4 premolars. Okay, and these premolars are also called as cracking teeth. We use these premolars to crack the nuts, etc. Okay, next about molars. These molars are present or located next to the premolars. And these are the broader. Okay, these molars are the broader in the structure, and there are total 12 molars in our mouth. Upper jaw is having 6 molars and lower jaw is having 6 molars, and these molars are also called as grinding teeth. We use these molars to grind our eaten food properly. Okay, so these all things we have studied in the previous class. Today we are going to learn parts of tooth. That is, see, parts of tooth. Yes, our tooth or teeth is having what parts? There are mainly 3 types. So 3 parts. See here, we will study here. The human body has 2 parts. The human tooth has 2 parts, that is crown and root. See here, human tooth has 2 parts. First one is crown and the second one is root. Okay, crown and root, these are the 2 parts of a tooth, and the part of the tooth which we can see when we smile is called crown. See, the part of the tooth that we can see when we smile. Now smile ಮಾಡಿದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಕಾಣುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ crown ಅಂತೀವಿ. Okay, that is called the crown, and the part of the tooth which we cannot see and is present deep inside the gums is called root. The part of the tooth which we cannot see and which is present inside of the gum, that is called as root. Okay, this is the difference, and these are the information about crown and root. What is crown? The visible part of a tooth that we can see when we smile is called as crown, and the part of a tooth which we cannot see but it is present inside of the gum, that is called as root. Okay, so next now we will study about, it means in the simple word you just remember that crown is the visible part of the tooth and root is the invisible part of the tooth. Okay, so this is the difference. Next, inner part of the tooth, what is that? So if you want, write down the notes about this, that is crown and root. Okay, first one, write about the crown. Okay, the visible part, the visible part of the tooth that we can see, when we smile. Okay, that is called the crown. And what was the second one? That is the root. Okay, so what is root? The part of the tooth, that we cannot see. But present, where it is present? It is present inside of the gum. That is called the root. Okay. So next we are going to learn that is the inner part of a tooth. It means these are the outer part of the tooth. The outer part of the tooth are root and crown. Now we will study about the inner part of the crown. Okay. See. Inner part of the crown. So a human tooth consists of 3 layers. Yes, human tooth consists of 3 parts. There are 3 parts. Okay, every human tooth consists of 3 parts. Those are the enamel, dentine and pulp. What are those? First one, enamel. Second one is dentine, and the third and the last one is pulp. Okay, these are the 3 part of the crown. Okay, these are the, it is a tooth, not crown. These are the 3 important inner part of the tooth, that is enamel, dentine and pulp. Okay, so let's study all these 3 parts one by one. Okay, so first we are going to study about this enamel. What is enamel and what is this function and what is the structure of enamel, and same for the all. Okay, so let's study about that. So first one is enamel. Okay, so enamel is the outer layer that is visible. Yes, enamel is the outer layer of a tooth that you can see. See, it is the outer layer. It is the outer layer. Enamel is the outer layer that is visible. Yes, it is visible. That is visible. What is the enamel? Is the outer layer of the tooth that is visible. It is used for chewing. Yes. What is the use of this? It is used for chewing. It is used for chewing the food. Chewing. It is used for chewing. And enamel is the hardest substance in the human body. You can say enamel is the hardest substance in the human body. It is the hardest substance. Just make down the notes, okay, in your notebook. It is the hardest substance in the human body. Okay, in the human body. Hardest substance in the human body. And but once it is worn out or chipped, it cannot be naturally repaired. See, we can say that enamel is the hardest substance in the human body, but once it get chipped, once it get chipped ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಸತಿ ಇದು ಮುರಿತಂದ್ರ ಇದು ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. It won't get natural repaired. Okay, it won't get repaired naturally. Okay, so it is about the enamel, that is it is the outer layer. It is the outer layer of the tooth that is visible, and you can say it is used for chewing. Yes, it is used for chewing our food. And also enamel is the hardest substance in the human body, but once it gets chipped, it won't get repaired naturally. Okay, so that is about all enamel. Now we are going to study about this dentine. Okay, see. Second one is about dentine. So what about dentine? Dentine is the layer under the enamel. Yes, after the enamel, under the enamel, which part you can see? Dentine. Okay, so we can say it is the layer under the enamel. Layer under the enamel. Under the ಈ enamel ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ಕೆಳಗಿರುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಲೇಯರ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಡೆಂಟೈನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಡೆಂಟೈನ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ದೆನ್ ದ enamel. ಇಫ್ ನೀವು enamel-ಗೆ ಡೆಂಟೈನ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಡೆಂಟೈನ್ ಏನು enamel-ಗಿಂತ ಲೆಸ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಅದ, ಅಂದರೆ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಹಾರ್ಡ್. ಲೈಕ್ ರೈಟ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್. ಅದು ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಅದ, ಬಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ದಿಸ್ enamel. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ than enamel. Okay. Next about it protects the pulp of a tooth. What is pulp? It is the third part. This is the third inner part of the tooth, the pulp. Okay. So what dentine does? Dentine protects the pulp of a tooth. It protects pulp of the tooth. ಇದು ಪಲ್ಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ? ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ. This is all about dentine. First one is it is the layer under the enamel. Okay, it is the layer that you can see under the enamel. It is less hard. It is less hard compared to enamel, and also dentine protects the pulp of a tooth. This is about dentine. So now the third inner part of the tooth is that is pulp. Okay, so what about pulp? See, pulp is the innermost layer. Yes, it is the innermost layer. Innermost layer. You can say pulp is the innermost layer. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅತಿ ಒಳಗಿನ ಒಂದು ಲೇಯರ್ ಇದೆ ಪಲ್ಪ್. Next, it is made up of nerves and blood vessels. So ಎದರಿಂದ ಮಾಡಲ್ಪಟ್ಟೈತಿ ಪಲ್ಪ್? It is made up of blood vessels. Blood vessels ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಲ್ಪಟ್ಟಿದೆ. Okay, so it is made up of nerves. It is made up of nerves and blood vessels. And blood vessels. Blood vessels le ಮತ್ತು nerves le ಇದನ್ನ ಪಲ್ಪ್ Okay. So next about our teeth get nourishment through the pulp. Yes, ನಮ್ಮ ಟೀತಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ನರಿಶ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಎದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಾ? ಪಲ್ಪಿಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಕೀಪ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈಂಡ್. ಅವರ್ ಟೀತ್ get nourishment our teeth get nourishment through the pulp. So ನಮ್ಮ ಟೀತಿಗೆ ನರಿಶ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ರೀಸನ್ ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಕೊಡುತ್ತಾ? ಪಲ್ಪ್ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. These are the three inner part of the tooth. That is the first one, enamel. It is the outer layer that is visible and it is used for chewing. Next, it is the hardest substance in the human body. Okay. Next about dentine. Yes, dentine. It is the layer that is present under the enamel and it is less harder than the enamel. Next, it protects the pulp of the tooth. Next about pulp, it is the innermost layer and it is made up of, pulp is made up of nerves and blood vessels. Okay. Next, pulp is the, what is this? This is our, yes, pulp gives the nourishment to our teeth. Okay. So this is all about today. We have learnt. Tomorrow we will study about tooth decay. Some of the questions are there. These questions we will study in the next class, and also we will study about the tooth decay. Okay. So I will continue in the next class.